Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the EKSA gaming headset, model number E1000. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so we purchased this EKSA gaming headset on Amazon, not just for gaming, but even for things like Zoom calls, Skype calls, anything where you want to speak to someone online and reduce the amount of echo you're getting in a room. This may be a good solution, even when traveling. If, for example, you're needing to have a meeting on Zoom and you're traveling in a hotel room, you might be providing your audience or the people you're speaking to with a better audio experience if you have a decent headset with a microphone, such as this model number. Now, this is a specifically gaming headset. So, as we can see, it seems to be geared towards the Call of Duty or COD players, and what it has is 7.1 surround sound, so that must be virtual in the stereo headset. It has noise cancelling for the microphone, and premium memory foam in both the earbuds and the head strap. Now, this is a gaming headset specifically for plugging into a PC, a Mac, or a PlayStation, and it's a USB interface. So let's open up the box and see what's inside the box. Now, you can see there seems to be a bag in here, and yes, the product itself is in a bag. We'll look at this in a moment. But first, let's have a look at the other contents of the box. So there's a EKSA care card and the instruction manual in a Ziploc bag, and a quick guide or quick easy manual, which is pretty straightforward. Now let's have a look at the headset itself. The bag is a nice soft pleather, plastic leather. It's nice and soft, but relatively sturdy, and the EKSA branding is at the forefront of the front. The straps for tightening the bag are in silky plastic silk and are quite tightly fit. Now let's see what the headset's like. So nothing else in the bag, but this is really good if you're traveling. You'll want to keep the headset safe whilst putting it in another bag. This bag is a good addition to the product, keeps it nice and safe. Now here we have the headset itself. So, as I said, nice soft memory foam on the ears and for the head cover. We've got right and left channel for audio, and the microphone itself, which only goes one way. So this is left hand or nothing. And the USB cable is nicely protected with a plastic cap. So it's USB Type A, traditional USB, and the controls. And interesting, the cable ties have very clear EKSA branding, as well as the volume controller here. So this is for muting yourself and controlling volume through USB and the headset itself. So what I'm going to do now is pause this recording, plug it into my PC, play around with it, make a couple of Skype calls, and then get back to you with some first impressions and maybe be able to show you off the LED lighting at the side of the headset. But for now, I'll be back in a moment. Okay then, and I'm back, and I'm very pleasantly surprised by the quality of these earphones for what is on Amazon under £40 sterling. We'll link to that in the description. But they're a great set of headphones, really comfortable. I think I would be comfortable wearing these for long periods of time because of how soft both the ear protectors are and the head protector, and overall it's a light gaming headset. The microphone is, as we saw earlier, moves up and down, and it's outside, it's not flush with the body, which is good for people like myself who have long hair at the moment. Hopefully lockdown will finish soon and I'll be able to get a haircut, but this is a really good feature. And as you can see, both ear pods have changing rainbow color LED light strips on the headsets, which are a nice touch. So it really confirms the sort of gaming focus of this headset, and it really makes for a nice bit of entertainment. Now, sound is really, really good. I really enjoyed the sound quality of the EKSA E1000. It was a bit soft to begin with, but after having adjusted the sound on my PC, so I turned the sound down and adjusted the volume to maximum on the controller here, that sounded a lot better. I also tried this out in a quick Skype call with a friend, and she could hear me great, no issues there. And overall, really nice headset. Value for money is exceptional at under £40 sterling. As I said, we'll be posting a link in the description, and I've also managed to find a discount code for the EKSA E1000. So I'll put that there. So check out Amazon if you decide to buy these. I'd say overall value for money, they're great. Both for music, audio, podcasts, Zoom calls, Skype calls. The EKSA E1000 are a good first impression from me. So there you go. We'll have the full review of this on the Tech Travel Geeks website at some point. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Not only will you get unboxings of headphones, we also have smartphones, smartphone reviews, any consumer electronics that make the travel experience better. We try and cover as much as possible on the Tech Travel Geeks. And for now, thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.